Hello friends, I found a dead larva floating on a water surface in one of my samples. So I brought it on the slide and started observing it. Here you see the wings, the head and the body parts. So I started observing it, and on this slide, one fascinating area here, I found something very promising. I'll zoom it for you. Can you make it out? We see a lot of ciliates, a few rotifers, and there are a lot of other protists in huge numbers. You see those little drops? Now they are in the center. I'll go for a higher magnification. Now we are at 10x magnification. Can you make out? Yes, there are a lot of amoeba in the background. So I'll just zoom in further for a 40x observation. So now we are at 400 times magnification, and what we see here is going to take our breath away. Here we see a lot of amoeba all moving towards this decaying matter, organic matter. They're all going for a party. So there we are, watching these amoeba move right in front of our eyes. And there are a good number of them, huge number of them. Fascinating, isn't it?